Welcome back to Faceless YouTube Profits. Today we're going to be looking at the best faceless YouTube ideas, and I'm going to show you how you can use ChatGPT to come up with to do some brainstorming, but then you can go and actually investigate these channels and these ideas on YouTube, and I'll show you how to actually analyze the competition, how to analyze the search volume, the views on those videos, and if it's a good niche to get into. Okay, so let's get started. So one of the first things you can do is you can actually come over here to ChatGPT. I do pay $20 a month for the plus version of this. I recommend that if you're not going to use any tool else online and you're trying to run a YouTube video, YouTube channel, you're trying to do anything online, I definitely recommend picking up ChatGPT plus subscription. It's only $20 a month, and you're going to be able to unlock all the GPTs, and you're going to get access to ChatGPT 4.0 and et cetera, right? So you definitely need this tool. You can use 3.5, but why would you want to get everything for free when you can actually invest just a little bit of money and get really good results and separate yourself from everybody else that can only use the free version of stuff, right? I don't have an affiliate link or anything like that to ChatGPT, but I'm just telling you that I've been using it since it came out, and it has really changed my online businesses. All right, so right over here, I said, give me 5 amazing, profitable faceless YouTube ideas for 2024. Super cool. It's going to tell us AI and tech tutorials, and check it out. We're going to go and look at this. Now, one of the ones that I've made over $300,000 is in this right over here, tutorial software review, AI tools space. So this one I can definitely vouch for 100%. This is how I make a full-time living. But then when we come through here, we can look at health and wellness tips right over here, stock market and crypto education content for kids. We're going to look at that as well. Minimal lifestyle. I'm going to skip this one. I don't think that was a good idea. That one's you're most likely going to need to be on camera and so forth. There's probably ways that you can do it, but it's not going to be the easiest faceless YouTube idea. So I use this just to kind of get the brainstorming. So I'm not looking at a whiteboard with no ideas, right? Use the power of AI to its advantage, and it can start giving you ideas, and then you can use your brain to fill in the blanks. And so what we do is, let's just take this first one, for example, AI tech tutorials. Well, we'll come over here to YouTube, and a lot of times it's one of the most searched and categories on YouTube. So you'll actually come over here and you can just click AI. Chances are on YouTube, when you just go to YouTube home, up here it's going to have all these categories that YouTube already tells you that these are categories that you can go and start looking in. And chances are that you're going to see one that says AI, because AI is just crazy popular right now, and it's probably not going to go away anytime soon. It is the future, right, of technology. It's the future of YouTube. It's the future of marketing. It's the future of business. And so you can go and click on AI, and then what I like to do is just start looking at what shows up. Okay, you can scroll down, all that stuff. But what I like to do is, even though this one right over here, it has a guy on the screen, you can see he put something out the other day. He's got 100,000 views on it in 4 days. It's a 53x performance on his video. So this was a massive video for him. And it just says, this AI tool is the biggest thing since ChatGPT. Very nice title, viral, clickbaity. No one is typing this in. And this is a great example of doing a combination of search related keywords, but then also doing clickbait type topics. And your YouTube titles don't always have to be something that's found up here in the search box, because generally speaking, it's when you're beginning on YouTube, it's nice to get some search traffic right up here and rank for stuff. But at the end of the day, most of your success and most of your views are going to be by way of YouTube recommending your content. And this is no different. YouTube pushed this video out because it was a good video, and they pushed it out and found the right audience. And because no one's going up here and saying this AI tool is the biggest thing, since no one's typing that in. It's not a search volume keyword, but look they got 100,000 views. Okay. So I would go and look at this. I would jot this down if I was in this niche, and I would make a video on it and look at you can just take away the screen. You don't have to be on screen, and you can create really good, high quality videos without being on screen. So I like to look at these. They're gems. The ones where people are on screen talking right here, you can actually go and create a similar video, similar title, watch the video, educate yourself, and then go and create your own video. Don't copy. It's going to always be better if you create your own content, do your own thing, and offer a spin on it. Just make it 10% better And then you can follow some of the steps and so forth, but I recommend not 100% copying or anything like that, right? And so you can go and really jot down anything. And then specifically, you can come in here and look at all these videos right over here, like how to write 4,000 word blog post in ChatGPT and using AI, West GPT. He has another one up here as well. It is released 13 hours ago. He's not on camera right here. And there's a lot of these videos in this niche, like right over here, that is getting a 3 million views right over here. And look, it's a Faceless YouTube channel right over here, channel video. So you can come over here. Another thing you can do is you can click on the video.
Writing long.
Let me go ahead and mute that. And then you can go and start looking at and reverse engineering. And that's one of the things that I like to do is reverse engineer channels that are doing something right. They have 235 videos over here, 62,000 subscribers. This guy is working. Look, they're selling their own course and so forth. This person is getting to work. We can go look at the channel stats. They're getting 158,000 views per month, over 1,300 subscribers, and they're producing content on a regular basis. Everything that they're doing is what I teach you to do as well. There'll be a link below. Go sign up, watch my free webinar on how I do this full-time for a living as well. But everything that they're doing is that they're publishing 3 to 4 videos per week. They're getting a lot of traction and subscribers, and they're getting a lot of views. And it's in the science and technology niche right here. And they're completely faceless. This is what you can do. You can go in here to videos. You can look at what is popular. What have they done in the last 6 months or so that has been popular? And then you can go over here and start looking at their latest, right? They're getting 1,000 views for every video that they produce. They're getting at least 1,000 views. This is look at the thumbnails. The thumbnails are nothing special, nothing to write home about, but it's getting clicks and it's working for them. Okay. So this is something that you can easily replicate. Go, and if you're into technology, you're into AI software tools and so forth, you can come in here and you can start creating content just like West GPT is doing. Okay. So this is a really, really good one. This guy is probably making $10,000 a month from his channel right over here. Another thing that we can do is we can go into ChatGPT. Remember over here, there was this one that was down here, education content for kids. And look what I do. I come down here and I say, hey, give me one. We're going to look at this one in a second. But what I did for this one right over here was say, I said, now for number 4, right? So expand number 4, give me an idea. Look, they even tell you brainy kids adventures. You could do that. It tells you science experiments, math puzzle games, all kinds of different, outline and brainstorming. It's doing part of the work for us. And now we can go in here and start looking mindfulness practices for students. You can go and find different keywords and so forth. Come through here and start looking at this. Look, 2 million views on this channel, mindfulness teacher over here. And look, it's a completely 100% Faceless YouTube channel. You can go and you can actually find people that can go and create these videos pretty simply on Fiverr, Upwork, and so forth. You can outsource this, build a team, and you can actually get this to the point where it's actually completely automated. You can even give them access as a editor on your YouTube channel where they, can create the thumbnail, they can create the video and upload it. They can schedule it, and you can get this whole thing running on autopilot. It's pretty dang cool. I've just now since introduced outsourcing content creation for one of my channels as well. So it's super, super cool. So this is another thing. You can go into mindfulness. You can go over here and delete that, and you can see what other things are going on. Mindfulness for teens. You can go over here and see what videos are coming up. Look at this is a Faceless YouTube video right here. Faceless YouTube right there. Most of these videos are faceless in this niche right over here. 1 million views right over here 3 years ago. The partnership in education. Another thing you can do is come over here and go to filters, and then you can go in and look at the ones over only in the last year. What is showing up in the last year? Scroll down here and start looking and seeing what we can come up with right over here. There's another faceless right over there as well. So this is a great way. This got almost 4,000 views. Mindly right over here. It's a faceless YouTube video right here. Look at this, is just using cartoons and drawings and animations as well. So a lot of things you can do right there. Another thing you can do is we came over here to ChatGPT. One of them was crypto, right? So we came back up here and it got us information about crypto finance insights. It gives us a name because we told it, give me a really great idea for number 3. And that was the crypto finance niche, right? And then you can have all this stuff right over here, and you can actually ask it to give you even more. It even gives you things you can do, daily market recap. You can even go and do a daily market recap over the most popular other crypto trading programs and so forth, right? So then you can come back over here and you can type in crypto arbitrage trading. So what I did was I typed in crypto and I wanted to see what shows up over here. And then I saw that there was the crypto arbitrage trading. The higher up the keywords up here, the more competition you're going to get. So that's why I came down here and just to see what we can get over here. And this is another thing. You don't have to be on camera for these videos. You can scroll down here and you can easily find people that are doing these videos, like right over here, Faceless right there. And you can come over here and look at this. Look at this. They're using whiteboard. What is crypto arbitrage? 70,000 views 2 years ago. Right over here. You can even go. They have almost 1 million subscribers. You can go and click on that. Reverse engineer this channel right over here. Here's another guy right over here. He's not on camera right here. 1 month ago, got 3,200 views. And he's talking about Binance arbitrage trading bot. So you can go click on that and then you can go reverse engineer this channel, right? So this guy has 258,000 subscribers. He has 2,000 videos right over here. He is getting to work. We can look at channel stats. He's getting 600,000 views per month, 6,000 new subscribers, and he's producing 61 videos per month. And that's just crazy, right? You can go and click on shorts. He's producing shorts videos. He's producing long form videos right over here. 5 hours ago, 1 day ago, 2 days ago, 3 days ago. So he's definitely very, very consistent. And look at these. Not every video is going to perform better than others. Look at only 700 views, but I guarantee you he's making money from that video. Long form content makes money. Look at this. 10,000 views over here, 6,000 views over here, 1,000 views over here. This guy has a formula, and look at most of what he's talking about is Binance trading bot. Most of what he's talking about is Bybit arbitrage and crypto. His entire channel is mostly about crypto, and he's getting a ton of views per month from his channel. We can go and look at Social Blade right over here, and it says he's making $2,400 per month. I would multiply that by 4 because this is a very high CPM niche. And so you can go watch some of my other videos where I talk to you about and educate you why this number is wrong a lot of the times. And so I would estimate that this guy is probably around the $15 CPM for his niche. So he's making 3 to 4 times this. This guy's definitely making $10,000 to $20,000 off of his YouTube channel right over here. Okay, so there's another way to go about doing this. And then there's math puzzles. This one goes back to the ChatGPT when we're talking about the kids. We can go all the way back up here and you can look over here, the educational content for kids. I said, hey, give me some ideas for number 4. So then we came back over here and I found math puzzles, right? And you can come over here, look at the highest views, 40 million views. Average views is 7 million views. Right over here, added last 7 days, 0 of 16. So we can come over here and start look at 6 million views, 700,000 views right over here. And this one was posted only 8 months ago. And look at they're all faceless videos right over here. There is no excuses to not get started, guys. Look at all of the faceless videos right over here. This is 100% a faceless YouTube niche right over here you can get into. And then you could even go in here and 100% outsource this. These are going to be a little bit more complex to create, but then go and find a professional. Type in math puzzle video right over here. Look at this. I will create quiz, trivia, emojis, and puzzle videos for your YouTube channel right over here. There's a bunch of different ones over here, and they can create all these different types of videos for you. And you can go over here and spend as little as $15. You can go to $30 for up to 8-minute runtime. Crazy. And then you can go over here for a 10-minute video, $50. So you're not going to spend more than $50 on these videos right over here. You can go out there and actually build a faceless YouTube channel and outsource it completely to people like this right over here. So there are so many ways to find out different really cool niches using the power of AI, but then go and investigate them. Go find channels that are going to resonate with you. Like for me, the AI thing resonates with me, and that's how I make my money. So then I would come over here and get good ideas from the people that are out there doing it as well. And we kind of share ideas off of each other. Remember to create unique content, create that yourself, but you can use what's working for other people as inspiration. You could even come over here, how to write a 4,000-word blog post. You could change this to 3,000 word blog post in ChatGPT. You could just change that number right there and make a completely different video. If you don't know what you're doing, you can watch the video, watch a couple different videos, put together a couple different techniques, create your own content. And that's what YouTube loves, is unique content creators. You don't have to use music in the background. You don't have to use AI like I'm doing right now. I'm using my voice and a microphone, and that's all it takes. You record your screen. It's very, very simple. You can go out there and start making making money. I've made hundreds of thousands of dollars doing this. Click the first link below if you want to go and check out all my exact strategies. I'll see you in the next video.